And we have a question here to simplify a simple fraction without using table or calculator. Evaluate this fraction, leaving your answer in standard form. Now, what we have here is 0.6. This 0.6 now, I would like us to work to remove the decimals. This 0.6 is the same thing as 6 times 10 raised power minus 1. And then times 32 times this 0.004 is the same thing as, okay, you can write it that is, remove the decimal, that is 1, 2, 3. That becomes 4 times 10 raised power minus 3. Then all over the denominator, we have 1.2. Use 1.2, can remove the decimal, that is by shifting it once. That becomes 12 times 10 raised power minus 1. Then times this 0.008, can shift it also. 1, 2, 3. We shift it 3 times. That is 8 times 10 raised power minus 3. Then times 0.16. This 0.16 we shift it twice. That is 1, 2. That's 16 times 10 raised power minus 2. Now, looking at the numerator and denominator, we have 6 here. 6 here is 1 and 6 here is 2. We also have 16 here. 16 here is 1. 16 here is 2. So that means, okay, now not to cancel the lot, what I'll need to do is that let's write the result of the numerator. The numerator, what we have now is 2 times 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Then all over denominator, we have 8 times this 2 here, then times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and then minus 4 minus 2 will give us minus 6. So now this is equal to this 2 will go with this 2, 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So now what we now have is what is 1 all over 2 times 10 raised power minus 4 over 10 raised power minus 6. So, and 1 over 2 is same thing as 0.5. Then times 10 raised power over, according to indices, when you have division, you will simply subtract the power. So you have 10 raised minus 4 divided by 10 raised minus 6. That means we have minus 4 here. Then since it's division, we subtract the power. And then this power is having a negative. That means we enclose it in the bracket. So now I have this to be equals 0.5 times 10 raised power of minus 4. Minus times minus is plus. That's 6 now. This is 0.5 times 10 raised power of minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 will give us 2. Then if you multiply this together, that is the same thing as 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1, or just 5 times 10. And this is the result to this very particular simplification. It asks us to leave in a standard form. This is the standard form of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more, please.